Hello guys! Kamusta kayo? I'm back! Sa nakaraan nating vlog, pinakita natin doon ang step-by-step guide kung paano maging member ng isang association para sa mga massage therapist katulad na dyan ang Canadian Massage and Manual Osteopathic Therapist Association o kilala bilang CMMOTA o CMOTA. At successful nga po ang first step nating iyon. Like what I said, hindi pa po nagtatapos ang prosesong iyon. At yun nga po, no, right after nating mag-register, nakatanggap po agad tayo ng email mula sa coordinator ng association. At ito po ang kanyang sinabi doon. Ang gagawin lang po natin sa statement niya ay ipaparaphrase lang po natin ito. Pero same lang po ang thought nito. At ito nga po ang email niya. We appreciate your application to CMOTA. To proceed, please confirm whether you're currently a member of another association. Kailangan po kasi nilang i-check kung member kayo ng ibang association katulad ng MTAA, CRMTA at iba pa. If so, we'll need a letter of good standing and intend to cancel from your current association. Based on your educational documents, you're approved to practice the following 10 modalities katulad ng Swedish massage, therapeutic massage, relaxation massage, deep muscle, hydrotherapy, joint mobilization, manual lymphatic drainage, myofascial release, pre- and postnatal massage, and trigger point. Ito po kasi yung 10 modalities ay based mismo sa mga pinag-aralan nyo sa school. At meron po silang attachments na nakalakip to review. Please review the attachment and confirm your understanding of the approved modalities by replying to this email. Remind ko lang po kayo no, na nagigauge po nila kung gaano kayo ka-interesado na maging member ng association nila sa pamamagitan po ng pagsagot sa kanilang email. Dahil po, the more na ini-ignore nyo po ang kanilang email, the more na bumabagal po ang proseso ng inyong membership sa kanila. Kaya naman po, ugaliin ninyo na i-check po ang inyong email. Ayun na nga po, no, nag-reply po agad tayo sa unang email ng CMOTA sa atin at ito na nga po ang ating reply sa kanila at maaari nyo po itong gamitin para hindi na po kayo mag-isip ng i-construct nyong sentences pag-reply sa kanila. Dear, the name nung membership coordinator, thank you for providing the attachment. I have reviewed the document and understood the modalities that will be provided. To confirm, the modalities include Swedish massage, therapeutic massage, relaxation massage, deep muscle, hydrotherapy, joint mobilization, manual lymphatic drainage, myofascial release, pre- and postnatal massage, and trigger point. I confirm that I'm not currently a member of any other massage therapy associations and I'm seeking membership with CMOTA and do not have any conflicting memberships. Should you have any further instructions, you can reach me at your phone number. Best regards, then your full name. After na nga natin isend ang sagot natin sa coordinator ng CMOTA, within the day, nakareceive po ulit tayo ng email mula sa kanila. At ito na nga po ang kanilang email sa atin. Again, ipaparaphrase po ulit natin ang kanilang statement para hindi naman po tayo habulin ng CMOTA. At ito ang kanilang email sa atin. Thank you for acknowledging the approved modalities. I've attached essential documents for your review, including membership requirements, scope of practice, standards of practice, and code of ethics for full members. Please study these documents thoroughly and reach out if you have any questions or concerns. To ensure understanding, kindly confirm that you've read and understood all the membership requirements, scope, standards, and code of ethics by replying or responding to this email. Sa email na po kasi na ito, naka-attach po yung mga files in PDF form. Maaari nyo po itong i-print or i-save sa inyong computer upang mas lubusan ninyong malaman or mabasa at maintindihan ang mga nakasaad sa bawat file. In my case po kasi, i-print ko sila para in case na gusto ko pong reviewin sila, mababasa ko agad at pwede nyo ring i-highlight ang mga statements na mahalaga ninyong malaman. At ito ay katulad ng Appendix 17 Example of Treatment and Sensitive Areas Consent Form. Next, Simota Code of Ethics Revised September 18, 2021. Next naman ay Simota Massage Therapist or Spa Therapist Scope of Practice at Simota Standards of Practice for Massage Therapist and Spa Therapists. Next, Membership Requirements Full and MOT Members at Treatment of Sensitive Areas Policy. Hindi ko na po iisa-isahin o babasahin ang lahat ng files or attachment nakalakip mismo sa email ng Simota sa atin dahil nga sobrang dami po nito. Pero maaari nyo po itong makita o ma-download mismo sa website ng association at ang link ay makikita nyo po mismo sa inyong monitor. Matapos na po nating basahin at maintindihan ang lahat ng files or attachments mula sa email ng Simota at ito na nga po ang statement o reply natin sa kanila na maaari nyo pong gayahin upang di na rin po kayo kailangan mag-isip ng isasagot nyo sa kanila. Dear, then the name of the coordinator. Thank you for providing the attachments. I have reviewed the documents and understood all of membership requirements, scope, and standard of practice and code of ethics. Best regards, then your full name. Ganyan lang po kasimple ang ating reply sa kanila, no? Then, kinabukasan po, nakareceive po ulit tayo ng reply mula sa coordinator ng Simota at ito po ang kanilang reply sa atin. Again, para praise po ulit ang email nila. Thank you for acknowledging the full member requirements. Next, please access the online application for the required Simota Liability Insurance Plan via the secured link. Meron po sila kasing naka-include na link na kailangan ninyong i-access at mag-register doon. Yes, kailangan nyo po ng liability insurance plan sa ating profession which is required din ng association. As previously confirmed, your educational background qualifies you to practice the following 10 modalities. 1. Swedish massage, therapeutic massage, relaxation massage, deep muscle, hydrotherapy, joint mobilization, manual lymphatic drainage, myofascial release, pre- and postnatal massage, and trigger point. Important note, please be aware that modifying or adding modalities to your insurance application without supporting documentation will delay your membership activation. To practice additional modalities as a Simota member, you must provide certificates of training with your application. Failure to do so may result in application delays or denial. Note that applications for clinics larger than 200 square feet or those with employees or subcontractors may take 2 to 3 weeks to process unless a clinic policy is already in place. If you have an existing policy, please submit it with your application. Once we receive your application, we'll contact you within 3 business days to confirm membership and insurance fees. After payment, we'll send your membership information, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. After na nga po nating mag-register mismo doon sa link na sinend sa atin ng Simota, nag-email na rin po sa atin ng coordinator saying na naaprubahan na po ang ating application at i-forward na po nila ang application na ito mismo sa insurance company. At nag-email na po uli sila sa atin kalakip ang payment instructions. At ito nga ang kanilang follow-up email sa atin. We have received your insurance premium and membership payment. To complete the payment, you can choose one of the following options: e-transfer, request a PayPal invoice from us, call the office to provide your credit card details. Please let us know your preferred method. Once we receive payment, we'll process your application. Note that this fee is non-refundable. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Yun na nga guys, no, right after nating mabasa itong email na to, nagbayad na agad tayo at in-include na rin mismo yung screenshot ng Interact payment nung nag-email tayo sa kanila. After ko ang magbayad, agad-agad din silang nag-email sa atin stating that they have received confirmation for my insurance. And my insurance will be in place dun sa date na dineclare ko. In my case, I need to wait for another week pa. Well, anyway, hintayin na lang muna tayo, then mag-register agad tayo sa business permit or business license natin pag nakuha na po natin ang ating association number. After a week of waiting, ayun na nga guys, no, nakuha na po natin ang ating association number kahapon. At maaari na po natin itong gamitin sa pag-apply naman ng business license. At speaking of business license, yun naman po ang ating pag-uusapan sa susunod nating vlog. At I hope nakatulong po ang vlog na ito sa inyo sa pagkakaroon po ng inyong association number or membership. Well, that's it for now. See you again. Bye!
That's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Trip ni Mike. Like this video by clicking the thumbs up down below and hit the notification bell for more updates. Follow nyo na rin po ako sa social media accounts like Twitter and Instagram at Trip ni Mike. Like my Facebook page, Trip ni Mike. Thank you for watching. See you again!